Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows could not create the Java virtual machine error. First method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Click New under System Variables. Type _Java_options. Type -xmx1024m. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Programs and Features. Uninstall existing JDK installation. Open any browser. Type JDK download in browser search bar. Select latest JDK version, click Windows, find your system type. Click Start, Settings, click About. In my case system type is 64-bit. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.